We're standing outside the European antenna laydown area, where you can see a large number of pieces of the European antennas. The dishes, the backup structures of the European antennas, are shipped in two big pieces, which are then assembled here on site by literally gluing them together inside the purpose-built building that's next to them. We've got several pieces of antennas here. The dishes go into the building where the temperature is controlled, and it's very clean obviously inside that building for the gluing, and then the panels are actually put on the antennas inside the building as well and adjusted using a contacting system to put the panels into an approximate shape about 60 microns or so. Then the dishes are actually removed to the outside and are set upon the yoke structures, which you can see over in the distance there. And we then have something that looks very much like an antenna. Then all of the integration of the wiring and the platforms that happens is done inside these other cubicle shaped buildings, which are actually made up from shipping containers to just provide a protection from the environment, with some doors that can close so that the engineers that are doing the assembly can actually work in a good clean environment. And over in the very far distance, the white curved structures inside the grey cradle are actually the European antenna receiver cabins, which will also be mounted on the yoke structure with the dish on top obviously.